My name is Carr. I'm a cinema major here at Anderson University. I'm a junior, and life's good. Coming in, I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. I wanted to do something film related. I really love the creative possibilities within cinema and media arts. One of the things that we do really well here is basically, since you're a freshman, you're hands-on using the equipment that pretty much everybody else in the department is using. That's one of the strong suits that AU has. I know like with a lot of other schools, like you have to be a junior or senior before you can like even start making stuff. Here we like allow our students to rent out the cameras, take them on shoots, have personal projects. And I think that's an absolutely astounding experience for any student. A lot of the students here don't have any like film experience coming in. It's a great place to build your skills. It's a safe environment. Everybody here wants to make everybody else better, and it doesn't really matter like where you come from. We're all treated the same. One of the things that I love about the Cinema and Media Arts program is that it's not just video production. A lot of times, the majority of our classes are learning about like journalism, learning about law, learning about ethics, learning about like PR, event planning. It's cinema in a bigger, broader, applied sense. Being in the cinema department has really helped me refine myself as an artist because there is this fantastic space with which you can put in the effort to find what you do best. Obviously there's that time created in the classroom, but here like you can take out equipment at any time and go create whatever you want. I feel prepared to do whatever. Like I'm not niched down into one thing and I feel like I have to go like my career is one thing. I feel prepared to have like 5, 6, 7 different careers just through the amount of experience I've had here the last 3 years.